The course outline of this course has been laid down by Sir Rehan Allahwala himself, and you can go to this link for the Urdu course in YouTube and this link for Udemy. Why does Sir Rehan pushes everyone to do interviews? What is his benefit? Why do he push people to do interviews? Why does Rehan Foundation works on training people on doing interviews? Let me go in a bit in depth into this question. If you see that we have a complete laid out plan for people who are just interested to become interviewers and they just want to be an interviewer. So from step one, from becoming an interviewer, from the concept to becoming an actual interviewer, we are going to train you out. We are going to even hire you if you are interested. Why are we motivating you for doing interviews? Why are we paying you for doing interviews? The reason being is that we want to create subject specialists in all the related fields, For example, today if you want to learn about religion, you know one name, which is Maulana Tariq Jamil, and if you want to learn about putting small factories up, you can go to Shahid Joya, and if you want to learn about opening a startup, entrepreneurship, a business, you can simply search for Azad Chaiwala. Just like that, you can learn about Shiism from their respective go-to people. But if we do not know any name for any specific field, we want to create those names. We want to create those subject specialists. What we believe is that if you conduct 250 to 500 hours interview, you gain enough knowledge to talk about any subject that it can be equivalent to a PhD. But for that, you have to go through a certain roadmap. The roadmap is that we have put down that first of all, you do 250 to 500 hours an interview, and after that, we give you a subject, or you can pick up the subject of your own choice and then become the subject specialist. So once you become the subject specialist, you become the go-to person. You become the person of influence for any specific subject. And this is our main goal. We have open vacancies for interviewers in our team all day long, 24/7 and 365 days a year. And we love recruiting people who are interested to do with the interviews and who would like to excel in interviewing, and meanwhile having their kitchen run by an excellent amount, by a very reasonable amount of salary as well. So you can join our team and become an interviewer. We are not only going to give you the training, we are going to hire you up as well. And meanwhile, we are going to polish you up, and we are going to make you the subject specialist for that. So the reason for pushing you for doing interview is that our country needs people who are open to listen to the other people, who can tolerate things, who can listen to other people, and who are open for all of the opinions and judgments. And interview gives you the ability to listen to other people without being judgmental, because you are just trying to know the other person. Because when you become an interview, you interview all sort of people from all field of life. You can interview a Christian, a Catholic, a Shia, a Sunni, a Hindu, a Sikh, meanwhile not being judgmental to any one of them, because you are just trying to explore. You're just trying to gain the knowledge that they have. So it's a very excellent path that opens you up to the world and opens the world of entire knowledge to you as well. So this is why we push you to become an interviewer and experience something that you have never experienced before. Thank you.